Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a home button in Google Chrome. This handy feature gives you quick access to your home page with just one click, making navigation much faster and more convenient. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings. It's usually located towards the bottom of the menu. Click on Settings to proceed. This will open Chrome's Settings page in a new tab where you can customize various aspects of your browser's behavior and appearance. Once you're on the Settings page, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical navigation menu with several categories listed. Look for the option that says Appearance and click on it. This section contains all the visual customization options for your Chrome browser, including themes, font sizes, and button displays. After clicking on Appearance, the main settings area will update to show appearance-related options. Scroll through this section until you find an option labeled Show Home Button. This setting controls whether the home button is visible on your browser's toolbar. It's one of the key navigation features that many users find helpful for quickly returning to their starting page. Right beside the Show Home Button text, you'll see a toggle switch. This toggle is currently in the off position, which is why you don't see a home button in your browser yet. Simply click on this toggle to turn it on. The switch will slide over and change color, indicating that the feature is now active. Now, look at the top left area of your Chrome browser window right next to the back and forward navigation arrows. You'll immediately notice a small house icon has appeared. This is your home button and it's now permanently visible on your toolbar. Clicking this button at any time will take you directly to your designated homepage, making navigation much more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully added the home button to your Google Chrome browser, giving yourself a quick way to return to your homepage whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.